A 18-year-old woman charged with the murder of a Jamaican man she accused of standing too close to her. Hi again and welcome. This is the Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An 18-year-old woman was charged with the murder in connection to the deadly shooting of a Jamaican man outside a donut shop in Bronx, New York last month. Santiana Rodriguez, who allegedly had accused the 24-year-old Jamaican Stephen Stewart of standing too close to her inside a Dunkin' Donut shop, was charged with his murder on Monday. The police are continuing their search for the woman's boyfriend, who they believe carried out the shooting on Friday, March the 18th. According to NBC New York, after Rodriguez allegedly accused Stewart of standing too close to her and disrespecting her, she and her friend left the donut shop. Further reports are that the woman later called her boyfriend. He then tracked down Stewart, and shortly after he shot the Jamaican after they briefly exchanged words. Relatives said that Stewart had moved to Bronx, New York 3 months prior from Jamaica. He leaves behind his mother and 2 sisters in the island and was working at a restaurant to support them to the time of his death. Stewart's aunt, who did not wish to reveal her identity at the time, told reporters that her family was heartbroken by this tragic loss. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.